In this life, I gotta get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favors, and everyone telling me no. Wait till the tables turn, we'll see who stays or goes. I don't wanna be outside, I need someone that can keep me home.
Hey guys, today I will tell you the experience I got from vacation to Miami. So I flew in from California where the cold was taking over. We decided to go for a night walk on a private dock. There were so many luxury yachts and mansions on the other side of the lake. We went back to a hotel. So this hotel is affordable and very close to the running tracks as well as to the beach. The hotel name, it's New Point Miami. And the next day, my sister and I went to the Fort Lauderdale to see our cousins that flew in from Europe. Their place was very prestigious. It's a private hotel where no random people can come in. The hotel name is La Hermitage or La Hermitage. So once we came, me and my bro went to play tennis. It was so beautiful. The court was massive, but you know what else was massive? I was trying to set up the camera for you guys to see our tennis match, but it was a real struggle to set up the camera, so I just gave up. The court was in the perfect place though. So there were like buildings, right? Those hotel, they're like what, 30 stories high, I don't know. So it covered and gave us shadow from the sun. After some tennis, we went to play some table pool and ping pong with the beautiful view of the ocean. Now here's the view from the 19th floor. We ate lunch and then decided to hit up Dexter's apartments. Thinking it was a museum, couldn't have been more wrong in my entire life. Now we're actually tripping. So we went from one side and then it was only trees. We couldn't really see the property itself. We decided to go all the way around to the other side so we can see at least the pool of the Dexter's apartments.
Can we go to that building?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah,
Let's just go. The gate was open. It was like inviting us in, you know, like to check out that property.
Oh wait, look.
Dexter's apartments. Look at these guys, bro, trespassing. We're basing.
Yeah, you can make a vlog.
And have a pool?
We're gonna open it.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this view though. This Rolls Royce was so beautiful. I couldn't just like pass it. I had to take some pictures and videos. Said goodbye to our cousins that left back to Europe. And then I took my stuff for the beach, ignoring playing with chandelier. I saw this Porsche. I couldn't take my eyes off too. It was so beautiful. It looked like it's freshly ceramic coated. The way it was shining is just so beautiful. I literally couldn't take my eyes off of that Porsche. So after meeting the sunset, I went for a barefoot mile run, which means that footage is not available for you guys because my feet are not gonna be in line. So the next day, my family and I decided to go on Miami tour bus. Went to the Miami city. We saw so many exotic cars, so many eye-appealing places. We stopped for lunch and then we reached our end point. I really liked the architecture of this building in the middle. My guess, that is a historical church. It looks like it. Then once again, we went to the beach. I caught my dad running. This is my first time ever seeing my dad run. So I took a quick dip in the ocean and then I ran to the warm pool. I left my sister and dad behind. There's some flips in the pool. On the last day of our stay, weather got finally better. It cleared up. So this is a beautiful sunset too. But speaking of Miami now, we finally got to ride jet skis. We fell only once and the GoPro glitched for some reason, so I couldn't really film that part for you guys, but here's some pictures. It started time-lapsing, like just taking a bunch of pictures. Anyways, if you know how to fix that, comment down below. It was a wonderful vacation. If you guys want to travel more, I recommend the New Point Miami hotel. It was a cool way to meet 2025, to be honest. And remember, on this account, we make every frame of a life count. Don't waste your life and enjoy it. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. Subscribe.